Welcome to the new RealtimeBoard, a flexible platform you can easily customize to your workflow. Have your favorite tools at hand: reorder, add, remove, or extend the toolbar by installing any of the 20 add-ons from our ever-growing library. Some frequently used tools got better functionality. Quickly draw frames of any ratio. Easily drag sticky notes of the color you want. To undo the recent action, go to the top left corner of the board. Switch from cursor to hand and safely navigate the canvas without raising the dust. Find the all-new minimap in the bottom right corner. Zoom to a 100%, fit to screen, or go full screen. With a new collaboration toolbar, you can chat, view or hide comments, and preview frames. Try new RealtimeBoard right now to discover what else is in store.